Hey guys, welcome back to my garage. Going to be doing a quick install today of some hand grips. Going to take these stock hand grips off and put on a set of the non-heated Kahuna collection hand grips. So stick around, I'll show you how to do that. So here's the hand grips. They're the Kahuna collection. Tagged at $119.95, but of course my Harley dealership charged me $5 more. I'm not sure why. But I was already home before I realized it's not worth $5 for my gas to go back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put them on. Here's the part number if you can see it. These are for 24 and later, 23 and later, and 24 and later models. 23, 24s. They're metal with rubber on both sides. It's always been my favorite grip. I had those on my Street Glide. Really liked them a lot, so we're just gonna do a quick install video. Looks like I'm gonna use a T27 torque bit to take these two bolts off to get the lever off out of the way, and then I'll open up the hand control from the back side and we'll go from there. So I've already got the tank covered with a moving blanket to keep it safe so nothing falls on the tank, scratches it. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these screws here with the T27. So there are two screws here, two on the back, one here and one down here on the bottom, and those are a T20, I believe. My numbers are marked off. I believe this is a T20, so I'm going to remove these two so I can get this cover off, and then I'll remove the grip and put the new one on. Once you get those two screws out, you just grab this thing right here and pull down, and that will release the back like so. And you got to remove these connectors. This one's right here. You just got to pop that out. Then you got to pop this connector off, and that little latch is right inside there. So I'm going to use this screwdriver to pop that loose. Once I get that connector off, I can slide the grip all the way off, and I can take off the controls and put it on the new one. Okay, once you get the old one off, obviously you just have this housing here. Put the new one in. Make sure you get your logos in the right spot so they're lined up. I think there's only one way you can put this on. There we go. Back on. So we got the connectors back in, one there and one there. And then we just need to close this little clip right here. And you see there's a little nub that goes in that there. Just click that up until it latches, and then we'll put the back cover on, and then we'll put the brake lever back on. That's all there is to it. Looks great. Pretty awesome grip. Very simple install. Just going to do the other side, and I'll spare you the step-by-step on the other side. Going to be the same, except for no master cylinder to worry about, so it'll be a little bit easier. They look great, they feel great. I haven't ridden it yet, but I'm getting ready to go do that to make sure my levers are in the right position. So I guess that about does it for today. Thanks for hanging out with me again. Quick short and sweet video about how to put those Kahuna hand grips on. Have a good one. Take care and see you in the next one.